I'm Morgane. I'm an entomologist, a bug expert, and I'm going to show you a hidden world. Are you ready to go bug hunting?
Yes!
Found one! Guys, come look at this. Whoa!
Since I was a kid, I've always been curious. Are bugs and insects the same all over the world? Are beetles in the southern hemisphere bigger than those in the north? And do bugs living in different countries do different things? I know we have some monarch butterflies in the southern hemisphere as well. I wonder if they go to Mexico too. I'm going on an incredible bug hunting journey around our planet to find out. And along the way, I'll be on the lookout for the biggest, the loudest, the weirdest, the coolest bugs you've ever seen. Let's go bug hunting. Did you know some insects glow in the dark? How do they do it and why? We're on a mission to find out. Why do insects glow?
Some inchworms I know glow, but I don't know any others that glow. Scorpions glow when they have a blue, when they get shined up to a black light. Scorpions glow in the dark. But they don't talk.
The shell around them reflects from the darkness and makes them glow in the dark.
I think that they glow because, if they're searching, at night for prey, it might, light up the walkway or something.
Inside this glow stick are two chemicals that combine when you snap it. Bugs glow in a similar way, using chemical reactions inside their body. Except, unlike this glow stick, which can only be used once, insects can often generate light time and time again. The process that insects use is called bioluminescence, and I think it's a little bit like magic. This is a glowworm galaxy. I know it looks like stars in the night sky, but what you're actually seeing are glowworms in a cave. Do you see those threads hanging down? That's how glowworms catch their food. Let me explain what's going on. This is a New Zealand glowworm hanging from a cave wall. And this is its light at the end. Inside its organs, there is a chemical reaction happening. A light-emitting pigment called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase are combining together to create this glowing light. The light is basically on its butt or bottom. They use this light to attract insects to eat, but they get tangled up in the fishing lines on the way there. Dinner is caught. My bug book is showing me where glowworms from New Zealand can be found. And it looks like we're going to have to go caving. And we're going at night. This forest park in New Zealand looks like just a spot. One of my top tips for bug hunting is to find out as much as you can about the bug beforehand, so you can make a really good guess as to where they might be. Glowworms really like damp and rocky places like caves, but also the banks of streams like this one. If we keep looking, we might find some. This is exactly the type of habitat that glowworms like to be in. But the thing about bug hunting is that you might not always find the bug you're looking for. You will find other cool critters though. Oh, there's an eel in here. In fact, we're not too far off with this eel. Eels also glow. Scientists are discovering there are hundreds of species of glowing fish in the world. But we're here to find glowworms, not fish. I can't see any, but I will keep looking. Just as I was leaving, I found some. Patience is key in bug hunting. And using the special red light on my head torch means that I don't have to disturb them. Maori, the native language of New Zealand, glowworms are called titiwai, which means lights reflected in water. A good description, I think.
Fireflies glow half as bright as the sun.
I think it's because they eat this type of small insect.
In case it's really dark and you need a light.
Yeah, they glow because they use them as a flashlight.
In the Northern Hemisphere, a different sort of glowing insect exists. Gil Wizen is an entomologist like me in Canada and keeps glowing insects as a hobby.
Hi, Gil. I'm looking for some fireflies. Do you know where I could find some?
Well, fireflies really like meadows, especially in the margins of a woodland, just like this one. But you know what? You're in luck because I've just collected a few.
But those don't look like fireflies.
Well, no, those are the larvae, but they glow just like their parents.
And why do they glow?
They glow from their abdomen to signal to predators that they're toxic.
And do the adult fireflies glow for the same reason?
Not exactly. The adult beetles are also toxic, but they use their glow to find each other in the darkness of night.
Wow, that's cool. But do you know of any other bugs that glow in the dark?
Absolutely. In the tropical rainforests of South America, there are fire click beetles. And in contrast to fireflies that glow from their abdomen, fire click beetles have their light-producing organs on their back. In fact, they produce the most powerful light in the insect world.
Wow, that's fascinating.
Gil had one more critter to show me, and this one is rather remarkable. This is a glowing scorpion. Scientists don't really know why this amazing-looking creature glows. They suspect it could help scorpions find each other and confuse predators enough so they stay away.
Is a firefly an insect? Because that's the only one that I know.
Glow. Fireflies. Fireflies glow in the dark.
Because at their back there's a light.
Orange, yellow, green.
Part of what scientists do is to record the discoveries they've made out in the field. I've learned that light can be produced in many different ways, and that glowworms all over the world look very different to one another. The glowworms in New Zealand produce their light to catch their dinner, while others produce light to tell predators not to eat them. And the fireflies in Canada produce light to attract their mates. I hope you had fun today. See you next time, and remember, be curious.
Some bugs glow in the dark because they're scared.
I don't like the dark, and it's scary, and insects might not like it either.